There's been a great shift in fashion in the last few years, particularly when it comes to modest fashion styles. So religion's no longer the primary purpose for covering up. Now, given this shift, it's easier than ever to find a lot of different options among high-end designers as well as mass market retailers. If this is a trend for you, you're in luck because the options are aplenty. If you're just getting started or you're looking to shop and add to your look, some items you can look for or some styles to try are midi-length skirts and dresses, particularly in floral patterns. Floral is an overarching trend within today's modest fashion movement. You could also layer a slip dress over a t-shirt in the summer or turtleneck in the winter. High neck, long sleeve blouses like I'm wearing today are a great modest fashion trend today, as well as knee-length walking shorts, one-piece swimsuits. And if you want to keep your look sharper, you can play with suiting. There are so many different color suiting options and different proportions and silhouettes. As with most trends, I suggest that you mix and match your options and see what feels most like you and what's a reflection of your personality. For example, you could take your midi dress and put a sweater over it for one look and a blazer over it for another. So you can see what works best for you or vary your options and get the most use out of each item that you have. Either way, have fun with it. Enjoy it. Style should be fun and a reflection of you and who you are.